Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fantastic push-up workout that you can do right from the comfort of your own home. Trust me, this routine will help you build ultimate strength and endurance. So, let's get started. Kick off with 20 regular push-ups to warm up those muscles. Next up, let's take it to the next level with 10 one-arm push-ups. Don't worry if you can't do them just yet. We'll work our way up to it. Now, for the main event, alternate between 5 regular push-ups and one-arm push-up on each arm. You might think this sounds easy, but trust me, you'll feel the burn in no time. Keep going until you've completed a total of 20 reps. That means 10 sets. And if you don't reach 20 reps on your first attempt, don't give up. Take a break and give it another go later in the day. Remember, practice makes perfect. And with dedication and consistency, you'll master these one-arm push-ups in no time. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this workout and want more like it, please don't forget to hit that follow button and subscribe. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.